Welcome to the students and staff of the Illinois Human Performance Project. My name is Christine Giordano. I'm a registered dietitian and a certified specialist in sports dietetics in the Chicagoland area. While we might not be able to get together for the annual conference, as I mentioned in the last video, we're here with a little bit of a performance snack series to help our athletes fuel a little bit better throughout the course of the day and to recover from their workouts. So as we mentioned in the last video, building a performance snack consists of having a carbohydrate component and a protein component. So as you can see down here, we've got a platter of a lot of carbohydrates options on here. So we've got some whole wheat crackers, we've got a lot of vegetables, including some baby carrots, some red peppers, and some celery. So of note, it's really important for our athletes to be able to get a lot of color in their diet from fruits and vegetables, provides fiber, provides vitamins and minerals, good antioxidants, and really great for general health, but also for recovery. So with that being said, we are going to work on the protein component of our performance snacks today. So we've got 3 dips that you can use with these carbohydrate options that we've got presented here today. So our first dip is very simple. A lot of these vegetables on here go really great with ranch dressing. The one thing that ranch dressing traditionally does not have is protein. And so what we're going to do is create a spin on ranch dressing by using a base of unflavored Greek yogurt that we've got here and a ranch flavor packet. So you can buy these at the grocery store. So all you do is really tear it open, very, very easy. Let's see if we can actually get it open here. And all you're gonna do is use about 2 cups of yogurt to 1 packet of the ranch seasoning. So all you're gonna do is kind of take it, incorporate that seasoning packet in there. You can add extra seasonings in here like chives or different herbs as well. So once you've kind of got everything incorporated, you can actually just serve this as is with any of our carbohydrate options on here. So we'll get this last bit in there and then we'll just kind of add it into our platter here. So that's option 1. Moving on to our next dip is going to be a peanut butter yogurt dip, and this one is going to be using the same base as our other dip. It's just an unflavored Greek yogurt. With this one, we're incorporating peanut butter. Now, peanut butter could certainly be used on its own as a protein component to any of these carbohydrate options on here, but for making it a little bit more of a creamy consistency and texture, the Greek yogurt works well. So the same thing, you're just gonna incorporate that peanut butter into your yogurt dip, making sure that it has a consistent texture across. So once you've worked that in, you're gonna see that it's kind of a fun color now. And to sweeten this up a little bit, we are going to add some maple syrup. So this is about a tablespoon of maple syrup. Alternatively, you could add honey as well to sweeten this up. Some people actually like this as a really nice dessert option, but I think it really goes great as a dip too. So once you've incorporated all of that together, same thing, you can serve it as is, or you could chill it in the fridge and bring it back out later. You could probably keep these in the fridge for about 4 or 5 days, I would say, and use them throughout the course of the week if that's something you want to do as well. So that's dip number 2. So lastly, we're going to make a bean hummus. Traditionally, hummus is made with chickpeas, but today what we're gonna do is use a cannellini bean, which is a white bean. So what we've done is we put our beans into our bowl here. We've rinsed and drained them. Rinsing and draining them actually helps just reduce some of the sodium content so it's not as salty. And then we are going to add some tahini paste, which is sesame seed paste, into our beans. We're also going to add some olive oil in here too for a little bit of texture and smoothness. And then we're going to add our seasoning. So today I have about a teaspoon of garlic. That's going to go in here. And then about half a teaspoon of onion powder. A couple of dashes of salt. And the juice of 1 entire lemon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze that right over. Okay, and then one more side. And then really, when it comes to mixing this up, you can use whatever you have on hand. A food processor would work really, really well. A blender would work well. I have a hand mixer here, so we're gonna try to use that, oops, and get it all incorporated and into one cohesive mix. So let's see how it goes. So you can see now that we've added some water and it's thinner consistency, so it's kind of ready to go in for our dip. So we'll put that to the side. We'll add it to our platter over here. And there you have it, 3 protein dips to pair with all these great carbohydrate snacks.